Thank you for tuning in to Your Truth. We all love America because we have so many freedoms. The freedom to think, to speak our minds, and to choose the way we want to live. These are just a few of the basic freedoms that make our country great. However, in the wake of the tragedy of September 11, 2001, legislation was passed that systematically eroded these rights. But what was the justification?
This is liberty within order within that protects liberty. I think that what the USA Patriot Act and all law enforcement activity does is try to protect our country, its foundation of law and order, at a time when that security is missing in our world because of terrorists and because of criminals.
So the first thing I want you to think about is when you hear Patriot Act is that we changed the law and bureaucratic mindset to allow for the sharing of information. It's vital, and others will describe what that means.
Unfortunately, we may not always be able to tell you why that agent or agents are knocking on your door. And that is because of the nature of this investigation. I hope that you would understand that.
Are we going to compromise civil rights for national security?
Is there a chance that some of your civil liberties may slip while we guarantee the security of this country? Maybe. Maybe.
Our elected representatives argued that sacrifices would have to be made in order to protect us from terrorism. But what kind of sacrifices?
Release the accredited journalist now!
From the convention
violating my constitutional right. You are
Sidewalk
violating
now. Sir, I want to talk to you.
Do not arrest me. Right, sir. You are violating.
Why is she being arrested?
My back.
Tell me what's going on, ma'am.
They just arrested me for peacefully talking and by the side of the sidewalk at free assembly. They arrested me for reading the Constitution.
That's insane.
Were you in the same secret society?
That's all right. Let me answer his question.
Seriously, were you arrested? Whoa. Is anybody watching this? Why are they arresting me? Can someone do something here?
Let me just say that, because it's a very important question.
What did I do? Get off me! No way! Get off my restroom! Get the f off me, man! I didn't do anything! Don't tase me, bro! Don't tase me! I didn't do anything!
Credentialed journalists getting arrested for no reason. Students getting arrested for asking questions. Police brutality at nonviolent protests. What's happened to America? Since when did our freedoms become conditional? And what powers do we the people even have? Well, we have inherent power in just being. What do I mean? People like you and me, just by our mere existence, give the Constitution its authority and power. After all, it does start with we the people. So what does the Constitution do? The Constitution creates the three governing bodies, executive, legislative, and judicial, which are specifically intended to represent the people. This type of government represented a revolutionary break from the old systems of monarchies and oligarchies, which concentrated power into the hands of few, not many. Because our creators of the Constitution envisioned a type of government for the people by the people, they entitled basic rights that guaranteed our freedom in case the governing bodies stopped serving the interest of the people. There were 10 initial amendments to the Constitution called the Bill of Rights that cemented our civil liberties. These rights are entitled to us from birth. They should never be threatened, undermined, or revoked. So why are they, and how does it affect us?